This is the movie room. Today we are watching Alien on Super 8mm. Got my, well, don't excuse Darth Sidious, whoever that is, but got my Alien guys right there, my thing, my popcorn buckets, that's what I was doing. There's the other one right over there. And then I got my Alien collection in the other end too. But today, and I have two copies of this because one of them had like the red vinegar syndrome, whatever you want to call it. So I bought a second copy just in case I screw one of them up too. And I've already, the case on that one got a little busted up too, but this one's perfect. So, but I think they're both a little bit reddish, not too black anymore, unfortunately. I think they're in color and some, only 17 minutes, 360 feet, selected scenes. It's abridged, of course. There is sound, and I think there is a little bit of color too. Yeah, color, sound, yeah. So I'm gonna load this up, but it's really nice in this case though. 20th Century Fox, embossed. So I'm gonna get this all going. I already practiced on one of my Super 8mm movies over here, Frankenstein Must Be Destroyed. I'll show that clip in a second, but I got it working. Is Frankenstein Must Be Destroyed. Second, but I forgot that I was supposed to hold down a button fully for the film to go through, but now I fully understand again. So this is my little humble collection of Super 8 movies. I try not to spend too much on them just because I could screw them up pretty easily. The most I spent on was probably, this has a Godzilla on the front, but that's not Godzilla, it's King Kong. That was a remake, or not a remake, a reproduction King Kong. It's still pretty old though. Selected scenes, of course, but it's still really neat to have King Kong 1933 on this. This is Godzilla. It says Ghidra battles, but Ghidra's not even in this selected scenes of this movie, which is pretty lame. America on the moon. So, proof for all those non-believers out there. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so I will get this together. Boys, I got it going. Come check it out. Will and Jackson, come on. We're going. It's Alien. It's Alien Day. It is April 26th. I got it working. Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm. Going back to my one.
You watch it? It's only like 15 minutes. Might be a little scary though. Pretty cool though, right?
Mm-hmm. The fact how it still works after like a while, I'm pretty sure.
I know. Yeah, one of this Super 8 came out. Oh, the movie came out in 1979. This probably came out like 1980. I would assume. I bet this came out in 1980. That's how old this film is.
Thank you.
Hey, Will. Well.
What the hell are you doing out here?
What are you talking about?
That's not our system. I love you.
Well, some of you may have figured out we're not home yet. Only halfway there. What? Mother's interrupted the course correction. What? Yeah, he's programmed to do that should certain conditions arise. They have. What? Since she has intercepted the transmission of unknown origin, she got us up to check it out.
A transmission? Out here?
Yeah.
What kind of a transmission?
Acoustical beacon that repeats at intervals of 12 seconds. What's that? I don't know.
Human.
I know.
There's LV-426 right there, heading to it.
Let me see. Let's take it down.
Need to clean up the lens. It's a little dirty.
Road 92 degrees, full fuel. Prime report.
This movie is a masterpiece. I actually like Alien more than Aliens. I'm one of those people. Aliens is great too, though.
Good contact on my board. Can you see that? Yes, I can. I never see that in the night.
It's derelict.
We're having fun. Come on down here, something different down here. And what it is, we can get up that wall, we can get up that wall.
What? When? I got this years ago. I got this like 5 or 6 years ago. Long time ago. I'm almost done. Actually, it was probably 3 or 4 years. Probably 3 or 4 years ago I got this.
What's this guy down his throat? I suggest it's giving him oxygen. Hell happens when he puts him in a coma. He keeps him alive. What the hell is that? We don't know anything about it. Now we're assuming it's getting him oxygen. If we remove it, could kill him. Dallas. I think you should move it, Kay. Something's happened. I don't know.
Cocaine?
You okay?
I can see it. Is it really over there?
What? Just there.
Well, good. Let's get rid of it.
God's sake, this is the first time that we've encountered a beastly like this. You have to go back, or tests have to be made.
Ash, are you kidding?
My sin. It's not been a mistake that you sent out such a decision,
Alexa, turn on home theater. Light boxes.
portable battery. It's insulated all the way here, all the way up to here. But damn sure the electrics are handling it.
I'll just fix fine.
What do we got here? Yeah, the phone line over here. Yeah, that's it.
Yes. Yep.
Right now.
Wait, no, what the hell are you doing, man?
We had to back him, man. Now we might be getting those tractor keys.
You get him, we'll go on.
Holy crap. John? Zombie? Who's zombie? Zombie. Sheriff took him out of the air shaft. Disappeared in one of the crews. This air shaft may work to our advantage. It leads up to and comes out in the main airlock. Alright, there's only one big opening along the way. We can cover that up and then we dive into the airlock and zap into outer space.
junction. I'm going down.
Dallas, you have to hold position for a minute. I'm on the signal.
Check it out, Weber. Maybe getting interference.
Dallas, are you sure there's no sign that it is there? Oh, God, it's moving right towards you.
This is my favorite part of the movie.
Move, get out of there. Would you move? Dad, Dad, lift out, Dad. Dallas?
Yes. I saw that scene. First time I ever actually saw this movie was on a portable DVD player in the back seat of my parents' car. And when that happened, I flew to the one side of the car. It was like a 4-door coupe, and I flew to the other side of the car. I was so freaked out.
I won't get anybody saying nothing.
I'm thinking.
There is an explanation for this movie.
You're rude. I'm gonna figure it out. There's an explanation.
It's a robot. It's a goddamn robot. How come the company sent us a goddamn robot?
I can figure they must have wanted the alien for the weapons division. It's been protecting it right along. Ash, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
How do we kill it? There's gotta be a way of killing it. How do we do it?
You still don't understand what you're dealing with, do you? My fitness. Well, no, no.
We're gonna blow up the ship. We'll take our chances in the shuttle.
The emergency destruct system is now activated. Ship will detonate in T-minus 5 minutes.
halfway around the Android fight, I actually switched it to my other copy of Aliens, or Alien in Super 8, just for fun, because I already ran out of space on my phone from there. Now I have to rewind it back. So, yep, I hope you guys enjoyed that. So the way I rewind it back is onto this reel is I'll just take this and then I'll go put it through here, and then I'll put it, kind of get it caught there, and then I'll hit this, switch it to here, and then it rewinds it all back onto the original reel, which is kind of neat. But yep, thank you so much for watching. You won't see this till it's after Alien Day, but happy Alien Day in the past. And if you go back in time, you see it during Alien Day or for next year. That'll be fun. So, yep, LV 426, April 26th. Caught it actually just 5 minutes till it's April 27th. But, yep, it's been fun though. All right, have a good night. Peace.